Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your Instagram stories using swipe up. Now, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is in order to actually do this, you need to have at least 10,000 followers or a verified account. I'm not actually showing you this and just reading through it, as I don't have an account that meets those requirements. In order, if in case you just don't, the best way I recommend is just pasting your link as text. That's pretty much the only option you get. But if you meet those requirements, what you need to do is just follow these steps. Now, first, that you need to make sure that you have an account that meets the requirements I just read. Then find the link icon when you open your Instagram story tool. Click this link icon, copy the link that you want to include to your device's clipboard, enter or paste the link in the spot providing it in your Instagram story. Then you can just hit done and publish the story. Now, as you can see, this button allows you to input links. Here you are going to select URL and just paste the link. After you've done that, the link will be available if you swipe up on that story. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.